Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, many of you are making a very big mistake before your exam. Today I want to speak to you all very honestly. We are interacting with many of you through WhatsApp, Telegram and email. You are messaging us regularly for so many doubts. But we are noticing something that really worries us. Many aspirants are not even clicking the PDF link to check the course details. Before taking the course, you are not seeing the list of the classes in the course. Friends, just think for a moment. If you don't have the patience to spend even few minutes to check the list of the classes, study material, worksheets, notes and question banks provided in that particular course for which you are paying money, then how will you complete the full syllabus? We have designed the list of classes exactly according to the syllabus, whether it is HSTR, GPSTR, TET or CRISE. So if you are not checking the list of classes now, how will you exactly stay consistent for next 2 to 3 months? Because we can expect a recruitment notification in a month or so, right? Then after that maximum you will have 2 months for preparing. So how will you prepare seriously for your CET then? See, I am making this video to make you understand that this is very important. Please understand my intention. All our courses come with 24/7 access till the exam date, right? In fact, aspirants who have taken our course, I think before 4 years, even they have access to the course till now. And they will have it till the exam date, right? So you can watch the classes anytime, right? We are giving you PDF notes, we are giving study materials, worksheets. We are also keeping the course updated, right? We are updating the course, we are updating the worksheets, the study materials. Before, I think few days, I think last month only, we have given a diagram list for GPSTR. Before that, we made mathematics question bank. Then before that, we made pedagogy notes. Before that, we made physics worksheets. So we are updating the course also, right? For that also you should be aware about the course, right? So this is very important for you all. We have clearly shared all these details in Telegram channel, Telegram group. Even while you ask us, we message it in the WhatsApp, we send it in the mail. But if you don't even open the PDF and scroll, and if you don't read the list of classes, how will you know what you are joining? Now think about your exam. Notification can come anytime, as I told you, right? So how much time do you really have now? Every single day is mattering, right? So this is not the time for you to be casual. Now you have to be very serious, focused, and this is the right time to take right decisions. See, one more important thing I wanted to tell you. It is okay if you don't want to join any of our course. You can also prepare by yourself. But even then, you must have a clear plan, right? You must have a timetable. You must have at least the study material or at least a rough plan of how to study, right? So we have already given the schedule in the PDF. Even if you don't join or if you don't take our course, you can still use our schedules and list of classes for your preparation, the self-study, right? That all that are freely available, right? You have to just click the link and then you have to scroll down the PDF. You will get the entire plan of the course, which you can also use it for your self-study. Right. Not only that, you can also check the syllabus. You can see previous year question papers to understand the exam better. So here we are requesting only one thing. Don't make this big mistake. Please take few minutes, check the course details, see the list of the classes, then decide your preparation. Whether it is HSTR, GPSTR or CRISE. In fact, for PSTR also, we are planning to help aspirants in as much as possible way. That is still a very basic plan is there in mind. I have not planned it fully. So I will let you know in the Telegram channel once I plan it. So whether it is HSTR, GPSTR or CRISE, first get clarity. Then you have to start your preparation. So at the end of the day, your result will depend upon your today's preparation, and your preparation will depend upon the decision you are taking today. So we are always here to guide you, but you always have to take responsibility. you should stay consistent, you should trust your preparation. Okay, so I really hope that you understand what we actually wanted to convey. This we cannot tell every time everyone in the messages, so that's why I'm making this video and making it clear for all of you to take things seriously. This is the right time for you to start and in a right way. Thank you. All the best. Bye.